Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app. Over here you need to select Open in pop-up view, and as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window over here. If you want to scale it, you need to hold it and pick the perfect size. If you wish to move it around, hold it over here on this little line and drag it wherever you wish to. You can also turn it into a bubble by clicking on the Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. If you want to use it to overlay the other app, just pick the other one and operate in both of them. You can even open 2 apps in this view by selecting the other one over here. If you wish to close one of your apps, you can do that by holding it and dragging it to remove area. But you can also just close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!